Una siyang narinig. Excited ako. Sabi ko, bakit? I had my own ideas how the song should go. Pero, ang nag-arreglo lang naman, si Ryan Pereira. Malay ko ba mas marunong na talaga siya sa akin? Marayo. And he saw something in the song that made him arrange it the way he did. And through time, he had been proven that the song should be read by itself. Kasi, kung mabiging yun pa, ang magsasalita at mamamulong sa mga and the Lord works that way too. Kala ninyo, kala natin, we are just insignificant and unimportant part of this church, your church, of your community. Pero ikaw pala, doon na lang ang master composer ka. He will do exactly, put you exactly where he wants you. Gagawin ang gagawin ito. Kasi mangusap siya sa ibang tao. And make your face rise. Comfort me through all the pain that life may bring. There's no